Hello guys, and Mal here and Gadev.
Hi guys, how are you? Hopefully you guys have all voted today.
It's a bit of a loud noise, so just to give you a bit of a overview of where we're at, I'm just going to move out of the screen. So we are at the upcoming Norwest train station, which is due to open next Sunday. So next Sunday is the official opening date. It's been 25 years in the making. We're finally nearly there, which is really great to see. Hello to everyone that's coming on. Glenn, Lucky, Luke, lovely to have you guys on board. So we're coming to you live once again to talk about what we've seen in the market on the ground. That's it, Luke. We've got running on the ground and providing you updates on what we've seen in the three things that the services that we provide: property management, sales and finance. And just to give you a bit of a heads up of what's happening with the Norwest Metro train station that is opening next Sunday. Absolutely. So Lucky's excited for that. That's great to see. So in terms of property management, to start off with, a great week for property management. We had a good win for one of the properties that was with another agency. It was brought into with ours. We had a tenant that was ready to go, looking within that particular area. We managed to lease that within the first couple of hours of them inspecting the property. So that's a win for a property that wasn't being leased out for some time with another agent. Having that database, strong database numbers and active tenants that were looking for a property of a particular type, we were able to lease that property. So that was a good win. Another property that was on the market, and again, the number of weeks the rental properties are on the market, it is varying. We're seeing that some properties that have a lot of good features, or in terms of the location, are going within a couple of days of going on the market. For example, we had a property in Castle Hill that was leased within 3 days. We put it online on Thursday, first inspection Saturday, and it was sealed. So that was good to see. Hello to everyone that's coming on again. And a few other properties, they take a little bit longer to be leased out, and for again a number of different reasons. Another one that we have leased out this week, the open home was this morning. The tenants were very keen. They were coming from another far away, so a couple of hours drive, so they're wanting to get a result. We got them to put the application in, processed that within the first couple of hours, got their references checked and did all the background checks, and that was leased out. So we've got the holding deposit for that one, so that's a good win for the owner as well. So that's property management. In terms of sales, we've had one property go under contract and 2 other signed contracts that are with the owners to review, so that's good in that regard. In terms of what's coming up, so what we are seeing, and thank you again for everyone that watches our live streams and comes out to talk to us about their different scenarios in terms of sales and finance and property management. We've picked up a number of different listings throughout Sydney, which is good to see. So we've got a property coming up in Rudy Hill, a larger size block it's got an existing property, but it can be subdivided. So that's a good property coming up on the market soon. Then we've also got a unit in Westmead in a good location close to the station that's coming up, as well as a 700 square metre flat block near Norwest. So the suburb is Kellyville, but that's near Norwest. So that's coming up as well. So anyone that is looking within those areas, do get in touch. We do keep a lot of these properties, we promote them off market to our database first before they do get advertised to the public. So if we know what you're looking for, we'll be able to get in touch with you a lot earlier and let you know, give you the first opportunity to view these properties first, like we had with the rental property. It didn't even go to market, first inspection, and it was leased out. So, and again, with a number of other sale opportunities as well, it's the same thing. So do reach out to us if you are looking for a property. No matter what your budget, let us know what you're looking for, what type of property it is, and we'll definitely keep an eye out for you and let you know when something comes on. Thank you for everyone that's commenting. Hello to everyone there, and I'm going to bring on Gadev to talk about finance.
Hi guys, so in terms of finance, basically it's been a strong week in application volume. We have a lot of applications for refinance. The banks are sharpening the interest rates, so definitely give us a call. The rates are very sharp at the moment. What I also noticed this week, so I've been hit with a lot of car finance applications. So basically, if you have a business ABN more than 2 years old and are property backed, we can get the car finance approved in basically 2 hours. So that's been a good win for a number of our customers. Another area that's really we're seeing booming this week has been equipment finance and vehicle finance. And also, if you guys are starting a new business, restaurant fit out, any type of fit out, vehicle finance, please give us a call, and more than happy to help you with that, guys.
Cool, there you go. So look, I guess the key takeout for me there was that the fact that you can get a car loan approved within 2 hours of having completed documents. So that's a great initiative there. So do feel free to reach out if that's something that we can help you with. Hello to Jazz. Hello, Hardik. Thank you for watching. And just a quick wrap up and to let you know about this particular metro station. So we are standing at Norwest. So within this particular area, the pocket that we are operating out of, there's 2 new stations that are going up within, what would you say, within a kilometre?
2 kilometres.
2 kilometres of each other. So one is Bella Vista train station and the other metro station, and the other is Norwest train station. This particular station is located opposite the Hillsong Centre. I'm sure a lot of you would be aware of that, and the Norwest Market Town. There's a lot of development that's coming up in the next couple of years within this particular pocket near the Norwest Lake. We've got the Lakeview Private Hospital as well, so it's a epic centre, as I've worded it previously, of a lot of activity that's coming up. So it's really proud to be able to see and stand up here within, as I said, 25 years in the making, finally happening next Sunday. The other good thing that we've also come across, I'll just wait for these cars to move. The other good thing that we've also been notified of is that there is a bus service called On Demand. So Metro On Demand. Thank you, Harji. Thank you. See you guys soon. So Metro On Demand. This is a bus service which is quite affordable. So it's a normal bus fare, so $2.20 and whatnot. But they can pick you up from a designated point within the Hills district and bring you to your closest train station. So there's the Showground train station, Norwest, Bella Vista, Castle Hill. So that's really good to see. So that's going to be operating from next week onwards as well. We have tried to get you behind the scenes to show you first, but with a lot of their last minute tests and the commissioning of the stations, we haven't been able to get that through, but I do promise you after it is open, we'll take you down. We're super excited to go on the ride ourselves, so that's coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. The other thing
also, guys, I want to mention, if you guys are self-employed and haven't completed your financials this year, please give me a call. There are a number of second and third tier lenders out there that are still doing low doc applications, so definitely we can get deals over the line. So that's another space that I'm specializing in at the moment, so I just thought I'll give you guys notice on that.
Perfect.
Anything
So self-employed.
Yeah.
I was going to say, yep, so Paris and Bazcast, it is amazing to see the level of organic reach we're getting on these regular episodes that are coming to you every Thursday, 3 p.m. New different guest speakers that are coming to speak to you about the 3 things that we, the topics of discussion within the 3 things that we look after, so property management, sales and finance. The last week's episode had about 7,500 people reached within a couple of hours of being, so within the 36-hour window, I would say. That's all organic, so it's great to see that level of response. I really appreciate you guys watching and giving us feedback. Do let us know if there's anything else, any other particular service or any other person that we can bring on to inform you of other things that you may be interested in hearing, so that's really exciting there. Next week, we've got home automation. So we've got Terrace Chang from Life Room coming at 3 p.m. Thursday to talk about home automation. Again, a lot from a CBUS point of view, a lot of properties that have that existing, you can't do that retrospectively, but this is a technology that you can control like Alexa, like Google Home, but it's a little bit on a more of a larger scale as well. So that's super exciting. The week after that, we've got Luke Morinay, and I think he's watching here as well, talk about investment opportunities less than 300K. So affordable investment opportunities, and we'll also be touching a little bit about the elections and the results and what whoever comes into power, what that would how that would impact the investors in the market. So thank you so much for watching. We can talk forever, but really appreciate your attention and you watching on this Saturday. Let's see after 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is the the last cutoff. The cutoff
So think
for
before you
voting.
vote,
So
if you haven't
please,
voted, it's a crucial vote today. So
it is.
let's
Every
see the
vote
outcome.
counts. So let's may the best party win. Hey, let's see you guys next week. Thank you.